If you've been offering personalization in your Etsy shop or you have been wanting to offer personalization in your Etsy shop, this new Etsy personalization update mixed with Anywhere POD's updated features is a complete game changer. Between Etsy and Anywhere POD, they have made personalization so seamless for sellers and also for buyers. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what has changed today and how you can use it to your advantage as an Etsy seller. Hi, my name is Emily and welcome to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. I'm a mom of two young kids, former educator, and now full-time Etsy print-on-demand seller who loves helping others start, grow, and scale their own Etsy shops. I have always believed that personalization and customizing unique products on Etsy is one of the biggest keys to success, but I also didn't love the process itself. It used to take me so long to personalize. Now, I have shared with you why I love using Anywhere POD in several videos because I use it every single day in my Etsy shop. And I've walked through my personalization process with you before. But now that Etsy has released these big game-changing personalization updates, it is completely making it, seriously, so much easier. Now, what has Etsy updated when it comes to personalization? Last week, I shared with you those updates and how you can bulk update all of your listings that you already have. But just a quick recap. Etsy now allows us to add up to 5 personalized text fields. They allow us to do a drop-down list of options. And one of the biggest ones is they are now allowing customers to upload a file when they buy your product. So let's say you're offering photo personalization. They are now allowing the customer to upload that photo right there. So you're not having to go back and forth with them via message. And this is really big because it's eliminating a lot of the back and forth that has happened over the years when it comes to customizing products with your customers, having to go back and forth to get the picture, having to clarify their customization. All of that has now been reduced so much by Etsy launching this new update. These personalization updates are huge, but pairing that with a tool like Anywhere POD, where you can then seamlessly implement those customization options, is so key because yes, the Etsy update is huge. It allows us to get all of that information on the front end. But if we're still doing customization the manual way, it's still going to take a bit of time. So I want to show you real quick how Anywhere POD has updated so that it matches this new Etsy launch and allows us to even more seamlessly implement these changes. Here is a simple mug design, and typically I would have to ask the customer for a photo, then bring it over here into Anywhere POD unless I was using the live preview tool. And then I would also have to update the name here as well. Now, when you're setting up your product in Anywhere POD, you want to make sure anything that is personalizable has the personalized button checked because that is going to link directly to the personalization fields on your listings. So once you have your product exactly as you want it, you'll come over to the listing screen. And now Anywhere POD will show you a button that says Configure Etsy Personalization. Now here you will be able to see Zoe was the name of the dog, and this is going to look like it does in Etsy. So this is a text box field. So we can include something that says dog name, and then we can also give instructions. So we can say, example, Zoe, and then we can save that. And then we can also have them upload an image. Now here, they are going to be able to add their files. So you can have them, let's say, upload pet photo, and we can allow them to upload up to 10 photos, which is amazing. For this one, we only need one. They will get their file, and we can also give instructions. So we can say, please upload a high quality photo of your pet. So we are able to, again, link those personalization fields right from our design directly into the personalization fields and then be able to update it and save that. And then once we push this over to Etsy, those personalization fields will be there. And the best part is when someone orders this, then when it pops up in our orders, we're going to have access to their photo right there. or it's going to be added directly to our design, and the dog name is going to be put directly on the design as well. So it makes it so much easier to have multiple text fields, images, whatever you need, and then it's going to be automatically added to that design when you get an order. So here's the bigger picture context to all of this. These Etsy updates are huge for sellers, and not only for sellers, for buyers, for making the process of buying custom and unique products so much easier and straightforward. But as a seller, even with these updates, there's still a lot of manual work on our end, unless we are using something like AnywherePOD that allows us to automate this process. So when those orders come in, we're not still having to open Canva, download a file, upload it to Printify, all the things. This is going to make it so much easier and just so much more seamless. The other thing I love is that it's going to open a lot of doors for different products that we may not have wanted to offer before. For example, I love customizing photo products, but I just limited how many photo customization products I did because it would take so much time to do that. But now it's going to be so much easier and so much more seamless. So I would love to know from you, are you excited about Etsy's new personalization updates? And if you have any questions about it at all, I would love to know below in the comments so I can answer them in an upcoming Coffee and Cha-Chings. And don't forget, I am posting every week practical, honest tips and strategies for your Etsy print on demand shop. So don't forget to hit like or subscribe so you don't miss a single weekly video. My name is Emily, and I look forward to seeing you next time.